Hey everybody, Ronaldo Hoffman here of Gear It First. I'm at the Blizzard booth during the DJ Expo 2019 show, showing you the LB Hex Unplugged. Now the big difference between this and their other floods like the regular LB Hex is that this one is completely wireless. A couple of unique features about this one. Again, you do have your hex LEDs. That's red, green, blue, amber, white, and UV. But your power, instead of it being on the bottom, it's directly on the side in a little recessed area. So it looks a little bit more attractive if you are going to do DMX or if you need the wired power in. Now, Blizzard did not make this one wireless DMX to keep it at a very affordable cost, especially the show special they've got going on here. But if you want to make it completely wireless, they recommend using their Y-Cycle wireless DMX receivers. When it comes to batteries, different manufacturers use different type of batteries. Some use LiPo. I'm not a very big fan of lithium polymer batteries. Those are the type of batteries that you might find in drones, for example. They are very picky about how they are charged. These are lithium ion batteries. So you can charge it and discharge it as many times as you need to without worrying about it, dying out on you in the middle of an event. Another great thing about the LB Hex Unplugged is its great construction. All metal casing plus the glass front. So again, that is the Blizzard LB Hex Unplugged. My name is Ronaldo Hoffman of Gear It First here at the DJ Expo 2019 show. Thanks so much for watching and God bless.